Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Zero Confusion, where learning is made simple and clear. Today, we are going to learn about the preamble of the Indian Constitution. But before that, let's quickly understand what is a constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of our country. It is our rule book. It tells us how India is governed, what powers our leaders have, and what rights we, the people, enjoy. Now, let's look at the preamble. This is our preamble. It might look long, right? But don't worry, let's decode it together. So, who made the constitution? We, the people of India. It means the power of India comes from its people, not from any king, ruler, or foreign authority. We, the citizens of India, gave this constitution to ourselves. Next, the preamble describes what kind of country India is. It says India is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. In simple words, sovereign means India makes its own decisions. No one controls us. Socialist means everyone should get a fair chance. No one should be too rich or too poor. Secular means every religion is equal. The government doesn't fear any one religion. Democratic means people choose their leaders by voting. And republic means our president is elected, not born into power. Then comes what India promises to give every citizen: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Justice means everyone is treated equally and fairly in society, economy, and politics. Liberty means freedom to think, speak, believe, and worship as we like. Equality means every person has the same right and chances. Fraternity means brotherhood. We all live together in harmony, respecting each other's and our nation's unity. Finally, this tells us when Constitution was adopted. It was adopted on 26th November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. That's why we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. So, the preamble is not just a paragraph, it's the heart of our constitution. It reminds us what kind of India we are: free, fair, equal, and united. So, let's do a recap. Who made the constitution? We, the people of India. What kind of country India is? Sovereign, socialist, secular, republic, and democratic. What India promises to give its citizens: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. When constitution was adopted, it was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. Thank you.